Good afternoon, one and all. Welcome you all here. Today, again, we are back with a new topic. Welcome to my channel, Interesting Facts. Isn't it interesting? So, friends, today we are going to discuss about a good topic called radioactivity. Radioactivity is a very hot topic and is very important for the competitive exam purpose. So, let's start our topic with the discovery of radioactivity. In 1896, Henry Becquerel put a sample in the uranium in a photographic plate. After 2 years, Marie and Pierre isolated radium. See, these are the important dates of radioactivity. Okay, next is introduction. Radioactivity is all around us, in plants, in bodies, in everywhere. Radioactivity is around us only. So now let's discuss what is mean deep in radioactivity. The first one is introduction of radioactivity. Some substances are classified as radioactivity. This means they are unstable and continuously give out radiation. Like example, nucleus. The next is what is the definition of radioactivity. This is a definition. The next we will see the actual definition of radioactivity. A stable nuclei emits radiation. It was discovered by Henry Becquerel. It is a spontaneous process but occurs in fixed intervals. Types of radiations: alpha, beta, gamma. Very important in the competitive exam purpose. 3 types of radiation: alpha particle, alpha, beta particles, beta, gamma particles, gamma. The next we will discuss about alpha particles. They are fast moving helium atoms. They have high energy, typically in MeV range, but due to large mass they are stopped in just few inches of air. This is alpha decay. See this, the nucleus is the alpha particles, blue is neutron, red is proton. This is alpha radiation. Alpha particle contains 2 protons and 2 neutrons. You can see here alpha particle, helium, neutron. Alpha radiation has a constitution as helium nucleus. They have double positive charge and mass of 4U. This is alpha. Since most effective ionization, therefore most energy is lost during travel. If you are alpha decay law. When an isotope emits alpha ray, the nucleon number decreases by 4 and proton decreases by 2. For example, you can see here. Then next is beta particle. They are fast moving electrons. They have the energies in few hundred keV. Okay. And this is a beta particle. Beta particle has 1 gamma ray. Beta minus radiation. Beta minus radiation. Here parent nucleus emits 1 antineutrino and 1 beta particle. See, this is a decay law of beta minus. When an isotope emits beta particle, one nucleon is unchanged and proton increases by 1. In alpha particle decreases. The next is gamma particle. These are photons just like light and emitted in the form of MeV. X-rays and gamma rays have the same. This is the gamma particle. Gamma particle 137 barium 56 is the example of gamma rays. Gamma radiation are form of electromagnetic radiation. See, the parent cell, daughter nucleus, then it emits gamma radiation. Gamma radiation is often associated with alpha or beta. Gamma radiation removes energy from unstable nucleus. The next we will see the differences between alpha, beta and gamma. What is alpha? The symbol is alpha and low penetration. In beta, moderate penetration. In gamma, high penetration. See the penetrating power in alpha paper. In a neutron moves to the concrete, gamma moves to lead, beta moves to plastic one. See here, you can see again here. The radiation emits in paper only alpha, up to metal beta gamma, and up to thick wall only gamma only penetrates. Types of radiations. These are the types also. You see here. The next is discovery of radioactivity. In 1896, Henry Becquerel put a sample of uranium in a photographic plate. After 2 years, Marianne Curie done. Decay loss. Try solving this by radium by alpha, bismuth by beta, and polonium by gamma rays. What are the answers? You can see here. These are the answers of it. How we got, we will discuss in next video. Uses of radiation in cancer treatment, killing microbes, carbon dating, dating rocks. These all are used in radioactivity. He is used here. In cancer treatment, gamma rays are capable of passing the deep inside the body to damage the cells, which is called radiotherapy, or we can call chemotherapy also. Killing microbes. Food is treated with radiation in a longer shelf to prevent the infection that has been transferred from the patient to patient. Carbon dating, very important. When an animal or plant dies, it stops taking carbon, but carbon-14 continues to decay. Dating rocks. 12 out of every 10,000 potassium atoms is a radiotope isotope. Its half-life time is strategy. Advantages are it travels very fast. Doctors sometimes insert a little amount of radioactive in order to break the bones. And what are the disadvantages? They are present everywhere, like Wi-Fi, like Bluetooth, but it can cause infertility also. Uses of radioactivity is used in medical uses, tracers. The radiation from radioactive source is picked up above from the ground. Half-life time. What is half-life time? The decay of the radioisotopes can be used to measure the material's age. We can measure the material's age. How it is denoted by time? By count. This is the half-life. You can see the curve. This is pink line is denoted by the one half-life time. So this was end of our topic. I hope you liked it well. Please comment whether it is good or bad. Okay. See you in the next session.